So a crash on I-95 in Southern California. The road is blocked, but the views are such a nice thing. California to Arizona, somewhere between California and Arizona, or in Arizona close to California. We are in the dirt, trucking in the desert. All the guys are stuck. This guy is on good ground. Let's see. It's okay. It's hard. So I parked because there is a crash somewhere there. You can see the lights in the distance. The views, like I said, the view is so nice, but I would rather drive instead to look at the views. No time for views, man. But it is what it is. So this is my truck, the one that I drive, not mine. Badass. Nice truck. Very nice. Here you can park beside the road like crazy. In Europe, there is not such a thing that just pull somewhere beside the road and park. No. So the queue it's a mess. I think miles and miles of cars and trucks. It was a bad accident on US-95 in California, Southern California. Yep, trucking. See you.